Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to use your Chromebook to take a picture of your assignments and upload it into Google Classroom. So, right now I'm just on the desktop of the Chromebook and you can see there's this little circle button right here in the corner. So I'm going to click that and then I'm going to click on this up arrow right above the Google search bar. And then all of these apps pop up. So there's all kinds of apps on here. And then there are these little two circles over here. So if your camera, which is what we're going to use, doesn't pop up right here, you can click on this other little circle and see if it comes up somewhere down here. Alright, so we're going to use our camera. So I'm going to click it, open. Alright, so now you can see me recording myself. But let's say you had an assignment that you needed to get uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up this piece of paper and take a picture of it. So, sorry, the camera's going to be blocked. Okay. So now, if you look down here in this corner, you can see that I took the picture. So I'm going to click on it. And right here, you can see the whole paper. Now, I very highly recommend that whenever you take your pictures, you make sure you get the whole piece of paper in there, so that way your teacher can see the whole assignment. So I'm going to name this image by clicking on that right there, and I'm gonna name it section 2, and I'm just gonna put TB for textbook. Okay, now once you have it named and you have it taken, you can press this little edit button right here. Now when you press edit, you can come down here and you can rotate it so that way it'll be right side up for your teacher. And you can also crop it to get rid of anything that you don't need in there. Okay, so then you just press done, and now you can see that now it's mostly just the paper. So now what we can do is you can keep it like this, but if you want to, I know some teachers are requiring you to save it as a PDF. So what you could do is you could go to the little print button, and obviously we're not going to print it out, but it does say save as PDF right there. So then you would just say save, and then it will pop up down here and you just save it. Alright, now you may be thinking, okay, well that's great, I've got the picture, how do I upload it? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Google Chrome, and I'm signed in as a test student so that way I can access the classes that Mrs. Lloyd and I have. Alright, now, the assignment that I took a picture of was for the Algebra 1 class, so I'm going to click there, and I'm going to go to my classwork tab, and now I'm going to, now your teachers may look different than what this looks like, but I'm going to go down here to topic 2 section 2 and then do the section 2 textbook assignment. So I'm going to hit view assignment, and then you can see where it says your work over here, and we're going to add or create. And now you can add a file, and it will pull up your files if you press upload. So since I saved it to the Chromebook and not to my drive, I'm going to press upload, and then you press browse, and now you're gonna have to hit downloads, and here is the picture that we took as a PDF. So I'm gonna open that, and now it's loading in here, and once it gets all loaded, then you're gonna press turn in. And so that's all you have to do. So now you have your assignment turned in, and your teacher can see your work and grade it. So I hope this helps.